What's up, guys? So we just finished tearing down the other side of Wildcat. If you guys have been following along, you know that I had a misfire on cylinder 3, which is on the driver's side, second cylinder. So it was a bent exhaust valve. I got it switched out, head work done, all that, and it was good to go. Then I took a closer look at the pistons, and I'm actually missing chunks out of them. So not really the ideal situation. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what all we have torn down now. So let me get a light. So this was the piston that was misfiring right here. Try and get you in there so you can see it. If you look at the top, right there's a piece missing at the top. This piston's good. That's just carbon buildup. This piston right here is also missing a chunk. And then, if I can get in here. All right, you can't see that one because I got this freaking. All right, there we go. It was also missing a piece right there. So I had to tear down this side because I was worried that I only had one misfire, showing one misfire on this side. So I wanted to check it out and make sure that this side was good. And luckily, every piston is good. I took out the lifters. Lifters are good. Kind of made a mess, but I'll go ahead and show you guys. Supercharger, intake. Let me know if any of y'all have ever had a problem like this. It's carbon fiber, right? It is a leg maker intake. For some reason, it's gone. Or it's bent like that, I don't know. Here is the passenger side head. Everything looks good, all the push rods are fine. Here is all the, try to get it to where it's not shining directly on it. But everything looks good. Besides that buildup right there, all that dirt, I don't know what that's from. But we're gonna replace those. Obviously, replace head bolts. I do have a broken, so if any of you have ever done headers on a Hellcat or any Dodge, that is the dipstick bolt. So it's a header bolt that actually connects through the dipstick right here. So you get to fix that at least. That's old, that's been there. And then this is the original driver's side. So got it cleaned, machined, got the new valve put in. I'll actually show you guys the bent push rod. Got the dart, all reliable sometimes. So that, see if I can get you to, so this is supposed to be straight. It's probably kind of hard to tell on camera, but it is not straight. That is why I had my misfire. And then it made me figure out the whole slew of other problems we had with the car. So it's tore down. It's in shambles. But next step is to pull the engine out. Pull the engine out, get it on an engine stand, pull these pistons out. And my buddy Matt at 9 Day Performance in Texas, he's gonna send me some pistons for it. So OEM, I'm just gonna get it back running because I got some big news coming up that I'm gonna share with you guys soon. It's gonna be a great time. Some other well-known people are also gonna be sharing some news, so it'll be cool. But yeah, it's dark in here. This is the only light I have. So also just got the Insta360 Go 3S. Yeah, so that's what I'm recording on now. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, drop them below. Certain things you want to see, I am going to do a video putting it back together. I'm one of those guys for some reason that always do something and I'm like, man, I should have made a video. So I will make a video of me putting this back together. But yep,